Okay, today I'm going to show you my Countertime routine. These products are truly amazing, changing the industry, the aging, anti-aging industry. Retinol has always been the kind of golden ingredient, but there's a lot of controversy over retinol, and I just don't think it's worth the risks. We know for certain that you should not be having retinol in products that your skin will be exposed to in the sun. We know for certain that you should not use retinol when you're pregnant or nursing. We know that the EU and Canada, they restrict uses on retinol because of the lack of safety data. And it's just what they kind of say is the precautionary stuff. It's just not worth the risk. And so that's, Beautycounter is all about safety and performance, right? And so this product line has taken years to make, to formulate. And we have come up with a really amazing natural retinol replacement. It uses an ingredient called bakuchiol and Swiss Alpine Rose, and the combination of these ingredients is basically acts as a super duper anti-aging natural retinol. And so I think that is super exciting, right? Because now you can have the benefits of retinol without the risks. So I want to go through all the steps, but first I was just going to quickly show you the packaging. The packaging kind of comes like this. You can see all the different boxes. Here's the eye cream. What's really nice is that it gives you like the level. So, or the step, not the level, but like this is step 1. This is the cleansing oil. You can see here step 2, this is the essence, and so on. So you have steps that you know how to use it, where to use it. We've also changed over to glass, much more sustainable. But when we do use glass, we have been looking to use glass, but it hasn't always been the best for carbon emissions, because if you source glass way overseas and you have to transport it overseas and la-di-da, that sets off a lot of emissions that you don't want. So we found a supplier in North America, and we were able to do these in beautiful glass bottles. So I am just going to show you a little bit of the products, and maybe I'll grab a hair tie, and how to kind of use them. So the first one is the cleanser, and this is $49. If you buy the entire collection, it is 6 products, and it is $382. Just want to check my notes on that. 382 products. That is a $42 savings. So that's a significant savings for buying the collection of products. And the collection is meant to work together. These products are meant to work together, and you'll see a difference when you are consistent using products that are meant to work together. The skin takes a few weeks, 3 to 6 weeks, depending on your age and your skin, to turn over its cells, right? And so if you're consistently using a product, then your skin will stay much more consistent. I'm telling you though, I used these products one night. I was not planning on getting this collection. I love the Rejuvenating Line from Beautycounter, but this, I tried it for one night from a friend and was just like, I am sold. This stuff is amazing, literally. And that's what I've been hearing over and over again. So I am just beyond impressed with this collection. You'll see and feel a difference in your skin really, really quickly. And everybody I've talked to has said the same thing. So this is the step number 1. This is the Lipid Defense Cleansing Oil. It's a cleansing oil. It's inspired by Asian beauty rituals, really rich in vitamin E, and it has, of course, our retin natural complex. And so this removes makeup, impurities, etc. And it is also safe for contact wearers. So it was tested and is safe for contact wearers and that sort of thing, so sensitive eyes. So you just pump a little bit. Let's see, make sure I have it open. And then pump a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that. There we go. You can see it on my fingertips. It's just like a oil. Okay. And then, so you apply it to, it does say, dispose 2 or 3 pumps, which I only did 1, and massage onto face and eye area. Apply with water. Apply warm water to form a light milk, then rinse. So I have a little bit of water here, and I'm just going to do it on this part of my skin. I don't have any makeup on my skin right now. I do have some mascara on and stuff, but I'm not going to take it off. But we'll just do that. So it smells and feels so amazing. I mean, you are going to look forward. This is what everybody says. you look forward to cleansing your skin. So I'm going to use one of our washcloths. If you don't have these are really, really great washcloths. Organic, wonderful washcloths that just kind of like, they're the ones that get softer with wash. And so I'm just going to do a quick rinse off of my face. And like I said, I don't really have makeup on now, so you won't, you know, it comes off really easy though. It's a cleansing oil, right? So that's step one. Step two is going to be the prep step. So in steps, you have cleanse, prep, treat, and protect. And you want to follow this for your skincare routines to get the maximum results out of your skincare routine. It just feels and smells so good on your skin. I just love this stuff. Okay. And so the next step is prep. And this stuff I equally love. So I'll tell you my top products as well in a little bit, but this is the Mineral Boost Hydrating Essence. And this acts as a prep step. So it's really lightweight, super deeply moisturizing. This runs $59. It also helps minimize the appearance of pores, which is nice. And the prep step better prepares the skin to absorb the next products. So you want to make sure that your skin can absorb the next steps and really benefit you completely. And so this one will also deliver like vital nutrients to the skin and to kind of the skin's moisture barrier, which you want to prep and protect. So you'll see it too. So I'm just kind of dumping like this. It just kind of goes like this. It's a little bit like milky almost substance. And take it on my fingertips and just apply all over. And I also like to apply it to my neck area. The stuff smells amazing too. And you know, with all of Beautycounter's products, you're not gonna have that fake fragrance. You're not gonna have fragrance that end up causing a lot of sensitivities, a lot of reactions to. If you do have like eczema, rosacea, stuff like that, ditch fragrance in any of your products. That's step one, because fragrance can be a slew of things. I also like rubbing the extra on my hands because I have aging hands. I need this stuff to work in my hands. So this just has like really lightweight scent that's super fresh. And it smells so amazing. Okay, so that's the prep step. One of my favorites. These two are two of my favorites. I'll get to my third in a minute, but these two are golden to me. I just love the way they smell and feel my skin. So I've prepped my skin, I've cleansed my skin, I've prepped my skin. Now I'm gonna treat it. And I'm going to treat it with this Tripeptide Radiance Serum, okay? This is $79. And because it is going to have a lot of that retinol natural ingredient in it, it's going to visibly increase skin firmness and elasticity. It's going to help really reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it has peptides and amino acids in it. So you can see just, you know, a pump or two. I think this one says, yeah, just a little bit says massage and gentle upward strokes. So I like to kind of pat it in my skin first, and then I think the neck area is always really good, and down here. Yeah, one pump definitely covers more than enough for face and neck, in my opinion. So that's how you apply that. And that's the treatment step. So now my skin is cleansed, it's prepped, it's treated. So this can really have a chance, because I really prepped it as a chance to really absorb and do what it's supposed to do. I am telling you guys, if you don't like this line, come see me afterward. I'll figure out a way to make it right. Well, first you can return it for free, and you'll get a full refund within 60 days. So there's no risk in trying this and seeing what it can do for your skin. But if you don't like it, and you have to go through the hassle of returning it, which is not really hassle with Beautycounter because they make it super easy, come see me and I'll make it right. Because this is amazing. Okay, so the next step is if you're going to do the AM routine or the PM routine. So this is your protect step. This is where you're going to really improve your skin's barrier. The AM is $79. And it layers really, really well under makeup. So that makes it really nice. It really improves the skin's barrier function, boosts hydration. It has flower extract in it, which is really awesome. This is the creme de la creme. Literally, it is being compared to as good as or better than La Mer. So amazing. If you don't know that product, that's It's like one of the highest end products on the market. It is $89. This is a night cream. It's a tetrapeptide supreme cream, super rich. It is going to really, really smooth your skin's texture, and I can attest to this. It really does. Doing these steps, you will, I honestly, I used it one night, it was sold, and I didn't want to be sold on it. So if that tells you anything, I was perfectly happy with what I was using. This is how this one looks. So I will put this one on, but I'll show you this one on the back of my hand. So this is, again, this is the AM cream, right? A little bit more lightweight than your night cream, but still super velvety, not greasy, nothing like too heavy, but super moisturizing. They just got everything right in this line, in my opinion. Yeah, and everything really smells good. I think these two products smell exceptionally well, just like this light fragrance. This one has more of like a non-scent to it. And then this is the Supreme Cream. And so you just need a little bit of it, right? This is going to be thicker. This is the $89, worth every penny and some. I can't believe this line is not actually more. And comes in like this beautiful packaging. It just feels like, it feels luxurious. It feels like and it looks too, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it really looks like your skin is super hydrated. And when your skin is super hydrated, it looks more youthful. And if you can keep your skin hydrated throughout the day, that really helps. This stuff lasts. Usually I like to rehydrate like middle of the day if I can. So usually I don't, but if I can, I should. But this stuff just seems to last all day. I still feel hydrated at the end of the day. So that is the night cream, the Protect PM cream. And then we have an eye cream. And this one is $69. Comes in a glass jar like this. I mean, just beautiful packaging. Beautiful packaging. This also has the Retinol Natural Complex. It really reduces underline shadows, crow's feet, and smooths them out for like a very smooth, firmed look. And it really brightens under eye area. So I like to sometimes just take it off the cup because you need so little. And you kind of put it on the outskirts. I like to put it a little right here too. Just have like some lines there. And then just like to kind of go in and just pat. You know, you don't want to be tugging at the skin. So I have to remind myself about that all the time too, but just kind of pat. And so there you go. I mean, like this stuff, yeah, I can't say enough good things in all honesty. And I did not want to like this product line, but it is golden. It is, I think it's going to be the best on the market. And the fact that it's also safer, that Beautycounter is looking at things even beyond ingredients, you know, packaging, emissions, recycling. We're starting to label all of our boxes with exactly how to recycle. Because how many people try to recycle and then you're like, what am I supposed to recycle? What part can I recycle? This lays it out super, super clear with how to recycle. Empty before recycling. Here's how you can recycle it. It's awesome. So we are like really going above and beyond, and I'm really, really proud of this company. I'm really proud of this line. It is going to change skincare for certain. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. All right, see you soon.